sour. Sort of like a pisco sour. If you've ever tried this before, this is an old-fashioned type cocktail made with chilled egg whites. They're safe to consume. They're very delicious. What this does essentially is it gives it a creamy texture. We're going to really shake this up. This is inspired by the beautiful island of St. Lucia. Has anyone been there to St. Lucia before?
Yes.
Yeah? How was it?
Beautiful.
Did you eat the pumpkins from there?
No.
No, I didn't. How are the beaches? How are the waters?
Beautiful.
Beautiful? Yeah, of course. Of course. They're known
It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful.
just beautiful all around. They're known for their cashews market. They've got all these fresh spices there. This cocktail is actually based around the cashews market. What do you find? Yeah, what do you find in St. Lucia? So we're going to decorate this. Actually, I'm going to add in our chilled egg whites first. Chilled egg whites got lots of protein in there. We're going to Mexico. You're going to get tan. You're going to get jacked. It's amazing. We're going to have some fun. So we got our chilled egg whites in there. We're going to add our citrus here. 1 ounce of our citrus. 1 ounce of our citrus here. Perfect. All right, now we're going to add in the sweetener here. We're going to add in just over a half ounce of our pumpkin syrup, spiced pumpkin syrup. We're going to add in 1.5 ounces of Bacardi 8 rum. This is a rum that's been aged 8 years in the barrel, so it's going to be nice and smooth, so much chocolate. And then just to tie things in a little bit better, we're going to add just a little dash. Perfect. All right, now we're going to add some ice to this bag. We're going to shake it up. We're going to mix the temperature. This is being the sour. You need egg whites. You have to use 2 different types of shaking methods. The first one is the wet shake with ice. The second one is going to be a dry shake. So I'll show you the recipe card while I shake this one up with some ice. Yeah, shake it up. Shake your booty. All right. We're not done yet. So now I'm going to strain this back into the original glass, and then we're going to fill the ice. So now we have it nice and cold. Let's really whip up the eggs. Kind of like you're making scrambled eggs. You got to really beat up. Really got to beat the eggs up here. All right. So now we're going to lock the pots in tin because you really don't want to spill egg whites all over yourself. It's really not fun. I have done that before. You want to shake this up. Really put a lot of power to this. It's a great workout.
You're right. You move. You're right.
Yeah, get it. All right, here we go. Lots of exercise.
You told me that.
And not a drop wasted. We're going right back to our live feed here. We're going to pour this into a chilled coupe glass.
Oh, cute glass.
A little coupe glass. It is a cute glass. It comes in almost like a cappuccino. Cappuccino, but with pumpkin. Let's get pumpkin spice coffee.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. And to decorate this, we're going to use some nutmeg and some cinnamon. Key ingredients you find in the St. Lucia's cashew market.
Gorgeous that is.
And here we go. This is a great pumpkin inspired by the beautiful island of St. Lucia. It has this myth, botanic myth, about the origins of vanilla. And it is said that there was a forbidden love affair between a beautiful goddess and a brave but mortal warrior. And they eloped and got married without the father's permission, who was a wrathful god. And when their father found out, he had them removed from the earth. And it's said that the very first vanilla orchid grew in places where they were last seen. So this is the vanilla sky, and it's a tribute to love and hospitality. Interesting thing about pineapples too is they're actually international symbol of hospitality. So Gilbert's going to shake it up.
Shake it.
Shake it up.
Go, Gilbert.
Go Gilbert. Go Gilbert. Get your birthday. Go Gilbert. Get your birthday. Yeah, shake it up. Boom. Shake it up, Gilbert. All right, amazing. This is Gilbert's specialty here. Good to the last drop. Awesome. All right. Now we're gonna strain our ingredients over some fresh ice in a 10-ounce highball glass. Oh, look at that nice color there. You can tell those pineapples are fresh. We always prepare everything fresh right before the show. Right after we're back, a perfect pour there.
Oh my God.
That looks delicious.
Man.
Excellent. Here's the last one. Fresh pineapple chunk and some mint there. There we go. This is the vanilla sky. Let's turn out to you guys.
There you go.